the high god of the Toba Batak. No comment is needed on the fact that the Toba Batak believed and still do in the high god. This has already been stated by several authors who, however, have not gone further into the matter. What is the name of this god to whom people turn for help in great disasters during old years and of whom it is said that he has power over the nature spirits, over the deceased and over the living? Usually we hear that he is called Oputuan Mula Jadi Nabolon or in short debata, but on closer consideration he appears to have still other names. As the god of the upper world, he is not only called Mula Jadi Nabolon, but also Tuan Bumi Nabolon. As the god of the middle world, he has the same names, but also the name of Opu Silaon Nabolon Raja Pinagabo. As the god of the underworld of the sea and the lightning, he is not only called Mula Jadi Nabolon, but also Tuan Pane Nabolon. To what conclusion does this lead? Doubtlessly to this. The Toba Batak see an experience in Tuan Bubi Nabolon, as well as in Silaon Nabolon and in Pane Nabolon, the same Bula Jadi Nabolon. On closer examination, it appears that Tuan Bubi Nabolon is the ruler of the upper world, and that he is also the upper world itself. That Silaon Nabolon is the ruler and the totality of the whole community and of the middle world, and that Pane Nabolon is that of the underworld, the sea and the lightning. This implies that Mula Jadi Nabolon is the total cosmos and order. He is omnipresent and his power is evident in everything. As Pane Nabolon, the underworld serpent, he, he sends the rains, he creates the waves, the thunder, and the lightning, and determines in how far the months, the days, and the moments shall be favorable or unfavorable. Moreover, he gives fertility to the fields and builds the middle world on his head. As Silaon Nabolon, he has brought up the three mythical ancestors of the Toba Batak. He has given a wife to each of them. In this quality, he also gives man the blissful gift of children, and he is even looked upon as the creator of man in the womb. As Tuan Bumida Bolon, Mula Janina Bolon is acting the shape of the three birds. Another name is Debata Natolu, three god, conceived as a oneness. Judging from the text, a Toba Batak means by this a Toba Batak means by this Mula Jadi Bolon in his totality, imagine as living in the highest world of the upper world. As such, he is sometimes identical with Tuan Bubi Nabolon. In the quality of his totality, Debata Mula Jadi Nabolon assigns the functions and the dwelling places of all the spirits in the whole cosmos. In the same quality, he also gives indications by medium of the oracle cock as to the ways in which difficulties, disasters, etc. may be overcome. As such, he is worshipped at the bius celebration, a sacrificial celebration organized by various clans, either interrelated or not, with the intention to pray for the fertility of the fields, the increase of the cattle, and also the termination on averting of the prevailing or imminent epidemics. The result is that this high god has three aspects, each representing one of the three worlds. This presupposes the oneness of upper, middle, and underworld in the Toba Batak religion. Indeed, judging from these myths, intercourse between three worlds is impossible, and it is even said that marriages between the inhabitants of the upper world and the middle world, as well as marriages of those of the middle and underworld, has taken place. When studying the myths, we repeatedly meet a tree reaching from the underworld into the upper world, which proves to be the Toba Batak tree of life. When going still further into the matter, it becomes obvious that the tree and the high god are identical. The tree is also a representation of the total cosmos and order, for the material indicates that on this tree the fate of every man is recorded, and at the same time we read that all men, animals, birds, fishes, and fishes, etc., have originated from it. Moreover, some text informs us that the tree has gone out of the high god. Other texts that the latter dwells in the tree. It can therefore easily be understood why, when making preparation for the cock oracle, the Toba Batak, the Toba Batak represent the cosmos as a tree, and why is preparing the bius celebration, they carve a slaughter pole, borotan, decorated with leaves in such a way that it resembles a living tree. It is also clear why they dance with their staff, tunggal panaluan, which is to pray for rain, fertility of the fields, gift of children, and protection against evil powers, but also lightning, thunder, etc. To destroy their enemies. To them all, the requisites of the cock oracle, the slaughter bow, and the tunggal panaluan are each a representation of and the Toba Batak and the high god himself.